The 2025 Yamaha Nmax 155 has taken the scooter segment to a whole new level. Yamaha continues to deliver with this urban commuter, combining practicality, performance, and technology in a compact design that suits both city streets and open roads. At first glance, you can't help but notice the sleek, aerodynamic styling. The updated design is more refined than previous models, with sharper lines, a more aggressive front end, and enhanced LED lighting. This not only gives the Nmax a modern look, but also ensures better visibility, which is crucial for city riding. Yamaha has also paid attention to details with the improved seat design, providing more comfort for both the rider and passenger. Powering the Nmax 155 is a 155cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine with Yamaha's VVA Variable Valve Actuation technology. This system ensures smooth power delivery at all speeds, giving the scooter strong acceleration off the line and maintaining efficiency at higher speeds. You'll appreciate the engine's balance between power and fuel economy, especially if you're using the Nmax for daily commutes. It's capable of handling city traffic with ease, but can also keep up on faster roads when needed. The 2025 model also brings in advanced tech features, with a fully digital LCD dashboard that displays all the necessary information at a glance, including speed, fuel consumption, and trip data. Yamaha has equipped the Nmax 155 with smartphone connectivity through the Y-Connect app, allowing riders to receive notifications for calls and messages directly on the display, track their bike's maintenance needs, and even analyze riding data. This kind of tech integration is becoming more common, but Yamaha's execution makes it feel seamless and useful without being distracting. Braking performance is solid with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, and the Nmax is equipped with ABS as standard. This ensures that you have reliable stopping power in emergency situations, adding an extra layer of safety for urban riders. The 2025 Nmax also offers a spacious under-seat storage compartment, large enough to hold a full-face helmet, making it highly practical for everyday use. Yamaha has retained the 7.1-liter fuel tank from previous models, but with the efficient engine, you can expect excellent fuel mileage, meaning fewer stops at the pump and more time on the road. This makes the Nmax 155 an excellent choice for those looking to save on running costs while enjoying a versatile and fun-to-ride scooter. To sum it up, the 2025 Yamaha Nmax 155 is a smart, stylish, and capable scooter that ticks all the boxes for urban riders. It's got the power, comfort, and technology you'd expect from a modern commuter, wrapped in a design that's both functional and eye-catching. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, the Nmax 155 delivers a versatile riding experience that will make everyday commutes more enjoyable.